Hello guys, when you learn Chinese, you will meet many Chinese characters that look almost similar, which make our Chinese learning a lot harder. So in this series, I'm going to give you some pair of Chinese characters that look alike. Here are two very basic words in Chinese: 人, man, and 入, enter. They look almost alike, and this is how we can distinguish them. 人 has shape of a man with his leg opening, and you can imagine that his head is straight. But when he wants to enter somewhere, his leg had to go first, and his head follows. 人, man. You can find 人 in some compound words: 人缘 staff, 人才 talent, 人生 life. 入 enter, 进入 to enter, to join. 收入 to take in, income. 加入 become a member. 帅 handsome. 师 teacher. As you can see, 师 has a horizon stroke above radical. This is a handsome man. In ancient times, what were a handsome person? The first, he would carry a knife. Dao, knife. And he will tear a towel to his hair. Qin, towel. 帅 handsome. How about the teacher? He is also handsome, but he wearing a hat on his head. Shi, teacher. 帅 handsome. 帅哥 handsome guy. 帅呆了 awesome, brilliant. 统帅 command, commander in chief. 师 teacher. 老师 teacher. 律师 lawyer. 牧师 chaplain, churchman. 去 to go. 丢 to lose. 去 had two horizon strokes from two radical, like there's a man walk 2 steps. If the person goes a bit further by 3 steps, he will get lost. 去 to go. 过去 in the past former. 去年 last year. 进去 to go in. 丢 to lose. 丢下 to abandon. 丢脸 to lose face. 丢命 to die. 我 I me 找 to find. There are two differences between these two words. This stroke of 找 is lower than 我, and this stroke of 我 is longer than 找, and it connects to 手 radical. 手 hand. This is me. I'm holding someone's hands. But when I disconnect with a person's hands, I have to fight him. 找 to find. 我 I me. 对我来说 as far as I'm concerned. 我自己 myself, my own. 据我看 in my view, in my opinion. 找 to find. 找到 to find. 找钱 to give change. 不用找 keep the change. It is rhetorically present. The next pair is Tian, day, sky. Full, husband, man. As you can see, full is higher than Tian. For women, her husband is more important than God. Tian, day, sky. 几天 several days. 每天 every day. 天气 weather. Full, husband, man. 姐夫 older sister's husband. 大夫 doctor. 功夫 skill, art. Who, crow, black. 鸟 bird. The differences between two of them is 鸟 has a dot. This is a bird. We can see its eyes. But if the bird is crown, who, crown, black. The crown is black and its eye is hidden. Who, crown, black. 乌云 black cloud. 乌龟 tortoise. 乌鸦 crown, raven. 鸟 bird, 鸟笼 bird cage. 头鸟 ostrich. 鸟巢 bird's net. It is nicknamed for Beijing 2008 Olympic Stadium. 用 to use, to employ. 甩 to throw, to fling. 用 has a vertical stroke. Shuai has a dragon tail stroke. When you need to use this, you keep it inside. When you throw it, you let it out. 用作用 to act on, to affect. 使用 to use, to employ. 费用 cost, expenditure. 甩 to throw, to fling. 甩手 to wing one's arms. 甩开 to shake off. 甩掉 to throw off, to abandon. 那 that, those. 哪儿 how, which. 那 has whole radical on its left side. 口 mouth. If you want to know how does the thing happen, you have to ask by mouth. 那 that, those. 那个 that's one. 那么 like that, in that way. 那边 over there. 哪儿 how, which. 哪怕 even, even though. 天哪 it is the way to express good gracious. 哪里 哪里 it is used when you want to say nothing to pardon or you flatter me. 情 emotion, feeling. 晴 clear, fine weather. This is the differences between two words. Both of them come with the same radical. 青 is mean green, blue, or young. Let's take a look here. The first word, 情, with the meaning emotion, feeling, come with sin radical. Sin means hurt. When you are in emotion is when the heart feels blue. Besides, 晴 with the meaning clear, fine weather, come with 日 radical. 日 means sun, day. So when you want to remember this word, you can imagine one day if the sky is blue, the sun is shining, it is clear weather. 情 emotion, feeling. 情况 circumstances. 事情 affair, matter. 感情 feeling, emotion. 晴 clear, fine weather. 晴天 a nice weather. 晴如表 barometer. 雨过天晴 sky clears after rain. It is an ideal means new hopes after disastrous period. 很 cruel, ruthless. 狼 wolf. Wolf is also cruel, but it has a head. 很 cruel, ruthless, 很 mean, exerting all one's strength, 狠心 callous, heartless, 心狠手辣 vicious and merciless, 狼 wolf, 狼人 werewolf, 狼狈 in a difficult situation, 色狼 pervert wolf. Now let's take time to check how much you remember. Let's start. Tian, clear, fine weather. Tian, emotion, feeling. Tian, day, sky. Full, husband, man. Lang, wolf. Hận, cruel, ruthless. Rule, enter. Ren, man. Shuai, to throw, to fling.用, to you, to employ. Wu, crowd, black. Niao, bird. Shi, teacher. Shuai, handsome. Deal, to lose. Qu, to go. Wo, I, me. Zhao, to find. Thank you everyone to watching my video, and if you like it, please click the subscribe button and see you next time.